Hi, hello, good evening to all of you, my dear viewers, my beloved viewers. Uh, Welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Pulis ng Panginoon. Uh, the verse that we are going to talk about tonight is taken from the book of Isaiah, chapter 41, verse 10. Isaiah, chapter 41, verse 10. So, do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold with my righteous hand. My friends, God is always with us. He is with us all the time. Don't be afraid, because God is with us all the time. It is a promise. We have no reasons to fear, because our God is with us day and night. And we should not be dismayed. We are encouraged not to be scared. Why? Because we serve the living Christ, who defeat death for us. So, there is no reason to be frightened. And he said, I will strengthen you. When you are feeling like you cannot go on, or you just don't know how you are going to get through the day, God will be right with you to provide with the strength and help you need to get through whatever you are facing. And according to him, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. That means that when you lose your footing, he is going to be there to hold you up if you will trust in him. Thank you very much, my dear beloved viewers, for always supporting my YouTube channel. I hope and pray that you will share the good news of our Heavenly Father to our fellow men. Once again, thank you very much and good night.